Friend, once again all of you are welcome in Arunav's University Chemistry classes. And in today's session, we are going to explain about a very important topic, and that is osmosis from the colligative properties of the solution. So, let us try to understand what is osmosis. Osmosis is a process in which the solvent molecule can pass through semi-permeable membrane but not the solute molecule. This process is known as osmosis, and in broader version, if we want to write the statement of osmosis, we have to say that if the two solutions which are separated by a semi-permeable membrane having different concentration, then the solvent start to flow from low concentrated solution to the high concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane. The dotted line represents the SPM, and what is moving? Solvent molecule moving from low concentrated solution to the high concentrated solution. This is the process which is known as osmosis. Low concentrated solution represented by A and high concentrated solution represented by B. So I hope that this point is clear to all of you. Now, next topic is osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure. What is osmotic pressure? Osmotic pressure represented by the symbol pi. The minimum amount of external pressure is applied to stop the process of osmosis is known as osmotic pressure, and it is represented by the symbol pi. Now what will happen if the P external is higher than osmotic pressure? Then reverse of osmosis start to take place. And what is the reverse of osmosis? That the solvent molecule pass through semi-permeable membrane from high concentration to the low concentration. Solvent molecules start to flow from high concentration to low concentration, and this phenomena is known as RO process, and this is mainly used for water filtration. In all water purifier, you can see that they are using RO technology. So I hope that this point is clear to all of you. Now move on to the next point. Here what we have to do, we are going to find out the molecular weight. What we are going to find out? Molecular weight of what? Solute. Molecular weight of solute we have to find out. How? By using osmotic pressure. Here we have to find out the molecular weight of solute by using osmotic pressure. It is very important to remember that pi proportional molarity of the solution, that is the concentration of solution at a given temperature. At a given temperature. This is equation number 1, and again pi proportional T at a given concentration, and this will be equation number 2. Now what we need to do, we have to combine equation 1 and 2. So what we will get, 5 proportional empty. To remove the proportionality constant, to remove the proportional sign, we have to use the proportionality constant R. Empty. R simply represent solution constant. R simply represent the solution constant. In place of R, sometime you can see that in some book they are using S in place of R, and its value is 0.0821 liter atm Kelvin inverse mole inverse. So the next part of the expression we have already derived this RMT. R in place of molarity we can write NV by V liter and temperature. Now R in place of NV number of moles of solute, so we can write like this, WV by MV, volume in liter and temperature. Now the finally we observed MV is equal to WVRT by 5V in liter. This is the required expression that we are trying to find out. Various types of numerical question can be asked on the basis of this formula. So I hope that up to this everything is clear to all of you. In our next segment we'll talk some more important topics which are related to the colligative properties of the solution. Till then, thank you and goodbye. And finally, I would like to ask you that if you like this channel, then you can subscribe my channel and make more and more share. Thank you.